We all know that climate change is one of the big problems that needs solving, if not the biggest. And there's lots of activity going on around the world trying to achieve just that. We've got things like solar, we've got wind turbines, we've got electric vehicles and a vast array of technologies, all designed to help us improve the way we use our energy. And now most of those technologies, in one way or another, will ultimately plug into the wiring system of our buildings. But that relationship between what we are plugging in and what we're plugging into is technologically mismatched. We're plugging something new into something old. But the question people ask is, well, if it's not broken, why fix it? It's worked that way for over 100 years, so why bother? Well, the fact is, our energy infrastructure was not designed to be particularly sophisticated in the first place. It was just created as a crude way of getting the job done, and it worked really well. But when you look at how it works, that energy that we get from the Earth's resources will actually lose about 18% just by transporting it from the power station to the meters on our walls. But times have changed and we need to be more efficient than that. It's time for a system upgrade. But what may sound like a huge undertaking is actually quite easily achieved by replacing your old switchboard with a new smart switchboard. What is a smart switchboard? What makes it so smart? Well, when you think about a switchboard, its main function is always to distribute the electricity that comes from the outside to your appliances on the inside, whether it's an air conditioner, whether it's power points, lights or an oven. It's done that reliably and consistently ever since we were pumping electricity into our homes. And on the outside of the switchboard, the electrical company, the energy company will put a meter so that they can charge you for what goes in. On the other side, on your side of the switchboard, they don't care. But we need to care, just as we need to care about recycling. The smart switchboard is effectively your own personal metering system on all of your appliances. But it doesn't just measure the energy use, it applies machine learning and artificial intelligence to what it's measuring. And that opens up a new set of features and functions that is going to help us improve our standard of living. It will reduce risks, it will save us money, and it will set us on the path to solving that big problem. So what may appear to be a boring piece of necessary hardware in our home is about to become the center of attention and possibly the next giant leap for mankind.